How to listen to music offline on eSound. So the very first thing you need to make sure that you have installed the application eSound on your device. If not, you can easily download it from the App Store. Once it has been installed on your device, open the application. First of all, you need to sign in to your account. You can sign in from your Google account, your Facebook account, or even your Apple ID. So make sure that you are signed in to your account. Once you are signed in, it will land you on this interface. Head over to any of the song that you want to listen it offline. So let's say I want to listen to this song. Tap on it. Now click on this 2 dot at the bottom left corner. The option of download offline will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it. It will start to download this song offline. Well, the song has been downloaded successfully. In order to check it out, go back and head over to Library at the bottom right corner. Head over to Saved Songs. Scroll all the way down and you will get to see the song that you have just downloaded. Tap on this 2 dot. You can see here it says Remove from Offline, which means that the song has been downloaded offline. Now even if you turn off your network, you will be able to play this song offline, and then you will be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can listen to music offline on eSound. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.